So I got a video in store for you today, and just to get your attention, look at this. Look how dusty this is. You see that? Actually, that's, ooh, it's about a ½ inch thick. Ooh. So, we're going to try this 750 Ti out. Now, this card and a lot of these parts that I've been using in the build behind me is salvage parts from different PCs. These PCs basically come from a junkyard. And basically they end off for a reason. Probably didn't work. But junkyards do buy PCs. Sometimes you can pop one open and you find goodies. 750 Ti, for example. Does it work? I don't know. This is a Dell system in here, pieced together. I'm going to try it in it, see if it works. If not, I'm going to take it apart, try to fix it. And the amount of dust on this card, you can tell the system's been very neglected. And yeah, if it don't work, I would suspect it might be a dust issue, because dust does conduct electricity after it gets so thick. So yeah, don't let your system get in this shape. Let's jump into the video and just get it over with this nasty mess of a graphics card. So I got a strange feeling when we shove a 750 Ti in this. Ooh god. Basically it's not gonna work. Got way too much dust. And then after I show you, just get her in there, see if she'll boot up. She turned on? Nope. Died out. She turned on? Died out. Well, what's happening is, what I personally think, is that this card's, let's take this out now. What I think is this card here, it's got so much dust in this and stuff, is that basically it's shorting out. Because dust will conduct electric. Just so you know. Enough of it will. And it can cause your components to short out. And you can see we're booted up. I got the screen off camera over here. But yeah, we booted up into Windows. Let me scan you over there. You can see the screen. So, with that being said, we need to take a 750 Ti apart, clean it up good, maybe some new thermal paste, see what the hell's going on with it, and see if we can fix it. Yeah, that's nasty. The fan's even hard to turn. Let's go ahead and take this apart. 4 screws, 5 screws look like. Probably more than that. I'm going to have to change screwdrivers to a smaller one. And you should have a screw, usually holds this on, but this plate comes off, so you can just remove these little guys, standoffs or whatever you call them. So let's take this off, just like so. Should be plugged in on the board right there. God, no wonder this thing wasn't working. Holy moly. Let's unplug this. Be gentle with these plugins too, because you whip this off this motherboard, you ain't gonna get it back. Oh no. I just need to mash it down like a man. Okay, there we go. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That could be no problem. All that dust. Look at this. Ooh. I need to clean all this. Ew, God. Ooh. Ooh. How's this cooler on boat? This is held on with screws to the top of the fan, which you cannot see at the moment because the fan is so dirty. I don't think we have to take this completely apart. We just need to blow it out. And then blow this out, some thermal paste, throw it back together, see what we got. So everything's cleaned up now, ready to go. Now the card goes back together the same way as we took it apart. Make sure it's plugged in, because you hate to put this together and your fan don't work. Plugged in just like so. So thermal paste time. Don't want to assemble this without thermal paste. If you're doing this to a bigger card, sometimes you need new thermal pads. Sometimes you get away with the old thermal pads. Let's go ahead and add a dot to this. Now that's probably a little much for this, but yeah, it'll work. Everything's in line. We can hold it right here and start 2 of the bolts. That'll be the bolts with the springs. And once you get 2 in each corner started, you pretty much have it warped. Once everything is tight, go ahead and put your backing plate on, and I forgot to dust that. 750 Ti cleaned up. Let's try it out in the PC now, see if it works. Because it didn't before. If it works this time, I'll be extremely happy. If the system boots up and that 750 Ti is dead, I do believe. Wait. Oh! She's working. She's working. I don't know if that's sketchy or extremely sketchy or not, but this junkyard PC has just now started working. You can see over here in the corner. Keep your fingers crossed. Do not restart. Come up to Windows. Come on, little hard drive. I know you ain't the fastest thing, but you can work. Hard drive made in 2012, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Woo! We made it in Windows. So I need to put bolts in that son of a gun. So I'm going to bolt this in, guys. Let the drivers download. We might try the game on it. It's a very low settings is the gameplay you're about to see. Like extremely low. It's playable. I mean, if this was the only thing I had to play on, and yeah, I couldn't play on it. It's 40 frames in this open world here, 34 to 40 frames. You can make out somebody over in the distance, just he looks like a pixel. But yeah, it'd be hard for somebody hiding in the grass too. Look at that detail. A 750 Ti detail, guys, on Warzone. On a junkyard PC. Right here you can see the frames. We're pushing 23, 37, 39, 40, 50. Very playable, to tell the truth about it. Let's see if we can just follow somebody in and get in a gunfight and then finish the video up. Everybody likes to go to the stadium. Always controls ain't set. I don't even need a gun. I go kick his ass with a pistol. Where did he go? I missed. Oh man, I died. Okay, the 750 Ti plays. It's not outstanding in Warzone, but I'm sure Fortnite and other games like that, maybe some older game titles, well, I know older game titles like Left 4 Dead and everything, it's going to demolish. But what it needs, if you was to daily this computer, it'll be fine. If you want to game newer games, you're going to have to upgrade the GPU and power supply, because the GPU that's in it, 750 Ti, runs off motherboard power. This has no dedicated GPU plugins, but you could buy a SATA to GPU, but this is just a 300 watt power supply. A 1050 Ti would be a good upgrade for this computer. Maybe a 10 series card, like the 1060s, the Pastel cards. With that being said, you can't beat it, because this PC basically was a junkyard PC. It's built out of spare parts that found out basically a junk place. You go rummage through them if they let you and buy some of the parts. You never know what you find in there. Some of it might be good, some of it might be bad. People throw away all this stuff. I say the 750 Ti was threw away, basically was in that system. My system was dead, was because you seen how it was acting. The only thing it needed was dusted out. The dust was basically, it actually was kind of moist. Uh, Once it gets so dusty, it gets conductive, and it was shorting out the card. And we applied new thermal paste. Actually, the whole computer got new thermal paste when I built it. Should have videoed that, but I didn't. Yeah, I'm rambling on. Thank you for watching. Check back with me. You build computers on the side. Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoy content like this, let me know. Have you ever built a junkyard PC? If you want to see more junkyard PC builds and card repairs and stuff like that, let me know too. I enjoy hearing from everyone. See you next time. Thank you.